Hello, this is Cliff Waite coming at you from D93 Technology, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about getting connected to our BYOD network. And what BYOD stands for is Bring Your Own Device. And we have a lot of teachers and students that want to use their personal devices on the wireless network, and that's what we have created this for, is to allow them to be able to do that. Prior to being able to do this, you will have needed to fill out your computer use agreement form and have your computer username and password that you use to log into your computer or your D93 mail account. That's really the information you need. Now, each device is a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you what this looks like on a Windows 10 device. Depending if you're using a phone or a tablet, it's going to be just a little bit different, but as long as you know how to connect to a wireless network on your device, you should be good to go. So I've got a wireless card in my computer, and it's enabled. And so if I click on the networking icon down in the bottom right, on a phone or tablet, it's going to be in a little bit different place in your menu area, but usually somewhere in settings there's going to be those wireless settings. So with this, we have a few different networks that you'll see. We've got the DoD, which is the district-owned devices, and this is reserved for district-owned Chromebooks or laptops or iPads or things like that the district has purchased. Guest is a network that we enable from time to time. It has a password that changes weekly, and it's for people that may need to get onto the network that are visiting, a visiting teacher or a vendor or something like that has a presenter or speaker, whatever it is that needs to get on the network. And that can be your school tech can get you that if you need to have that. And the BYOD is, like I said, that Bring Your Own Device network, and that's the one that we're going to want to connect to if this is our personal phone or our personal owned device that we want to use on the school's network. So I'm going to go ahead and just click that network, and then usually it'll leave it connect automatically so that you don't have to enter this information every time that you need to use your network at school. And so if I go ahead and hit connect, it's going to bring me, in this case, it's got some information about a certificate, and sometimes it's, this is just an authorization that pulls from our side of things, and you're gonna, if it asks you to accept a certificate or say yes to a certificate when you're trying to connect, you say yes, and that's how it can look at our authorization. So I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. See, and in this case, it asks me for a username and password. So with this, it does use my Windows user account, but let's just, in most cases, you're not going to get that option, but I'm just going to put in my username, and this is my standard password that I use when I log into my computer, my standard username. So it's just like I'm logging into my computer, and that's what it does to connect using the certificate. And I hit OK, and go ahead and authorize that certificate again. And now it's saying I'm connected to that network. So now I can use that network to browse the internet when I'm on this device. And if I ever have to reconnect, it's just that same process of using that same username and password that I used to get on my computer. So if you have any questions, you can certainly talk to your school building technology mentor, or you can send me an email. I can try and answer your questions, or I can get you to somebody who can. And I hope this video has been helpful. This is Cliff from D93 Technology, signing out. Thank you.